Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese in easy. Anyway, I am Abdurrahman. Today we will make exercise with sentence and Chinese character. But before start the lesson, I want to say you something. If you want to support me, you can subscribe and you can inform your friends who are interested in learning Chinese. Otherwise, and in addition to this, there are cards here in cards section. Is the characters' meanings or their tone, so you can solve that. It makes learning funnier. Okay, guys, let's start to make these dialogues. But first, as always, we are doing, we should put the tones on the characters. So here, 今天means today. 你 means you. Lie, 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 come. Ma doesn't have tone. Here, lie also. 明天, 明天, it means tomorrow. N doesn't have tone. Yeah, yeah, also too. And here, 今天, 今天, 你 lay, here, lay for tone, sorry, lay. I mean tired. Ma doesn't have tone. And 我 who tired, late. I am not very tired. Tired means very, too, late means tired. N doesn't have tone. 我 third tone. 也 third tone. 明天 你 lie, 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 不. Okay, let's start to make dialogue. And here, 今天你来吗? It means, do you come today? Do you come today? And we use lie with the answer. But later, he asks again, 明天呢? What about tomorrow? So, it means today he can't come. I can't come. So, he asked me, what about tomorrow? Otherwise, why he asked, what about tomorrow? And the other answer is yeah. So, today I can't go. He asked me, what about tomorrow? Tomorrow also, I don't go. Okay. Here, 今天你来吗? Today, will you come? Or do you come? I can say, 我不来. Yeah. 我不来. Third time, fourth time, second time. I don't come. 明天呢? What about tomorrow? I should use yeah. 明天也不来. 明天也不来. Tomorrow also I don't come. I don't come. Second tone, first tone, 明天, yeah,不, lie, lie, 不来. Tomorrow also I don't come. Okay, first dialogue is like this. Let's pass the second one. 今天你累吗 Today are you tired? Today are you tired? 我不太累 and this 不 we change as second tone 我不太累不太累 I'm not very tired. Here use we should use ne. So the answer is 我 so we can say here 你呢 and the answer start with 我 blah blah blah. So 你呢你呢 What about you? 我 Here we use 也 so our answer must be same, right? So 我不太累 Here I should say 我也不太累 I am also not very tired. 我也不太累不太累 I am also not very tired. 我也不太累 Here 不 also become second tone. And 明天你 Here the question 来吗明天你来吗 Tomorrow will you come? Here the answer we should use 不 so I can say 我不来我不来我不来 I won't come. So let's pass the other dialogue. And I will clean this part. Okay. Here also we put the tones on characters. 你爸爸忙吗忙 no doesn't have tone. 他也很忙。我爸爸妈妈都 okay. Let's translate this sentence. 我爸爸忙吗？你爸爸忙吗？Your father is busy now. Is your father busy now? So we should use忙, but it's not certain it's positive or negative. So we will go on, and we should use n here, and we look at the answer ta. It means she. So here we should ask like ni mama ne, and the answer is ta. It means she. For the mama. Yeah, here it's the critical. 很忙. If we use here yeah, our answer must be same, right? Here this answer and this answer must be same. So what's this answer? 很忙. So my father also must be very busy. So here, what should I say? 我爸爸很忙 or 他很忙, right? 他很 Mom. He is very busy. He is very busy. Okay, here 네 마마는 네 마마. 네 마마는 what about your mother? 다이은 마. She is also very busy. 워,爸爸, mama, 또. If you use 또, the subject is plural, right? There are two people here. So we can say 또 and the same answer. 또很忙.很忙. Okay, like this. I hope you all deeply understand where can we use 예, 또, and how can we understand our answer must be positive or negative. Okay, if you have any more questions about this, please write on comment section so I can answer there. If it is difficult and complicated question, I can make a new video for that question, guys. See you next video. Thanks for watching.